Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to create this crochet Romanian cord. You can use any yarn to make a project like this, but for me, I'll be using this sugar and cream yarn that I got from an assorted set. I'll leave a link in the description box below if you want to get access to this as well. I'll also be using a 4mm crochet hook. Now we're going to get started by making a slip knot, and you can do this in whichever way you prefer. Now once you've created your slip knot, go ahead and make 2 chain stitches. To make a chain stitch, simply yarn over your hook and pull through for 1 chain, yarn over your hook and pull through for your 2nd chain. So now we have 2 chain stitches. We're going to be working a single crochet in the first chain stitch that we did. So right here, the one right beside the slip knot, we're going to insert our hook inside the chain, yarn over and pull through a loop. Now that we have 2 loops on our hook, we're going to go ahead and complete a single crochet where we yarn over and pull the yarn through both loops. Now that that's been completed, we're going to turn or work. Now you'll see here the stitch that we just completed, but to make our stitch in the next row, we're going to be working in this side bump here. So that's right beside the stitch. You'll see a side stitch right here. That's where we'll be working the stitch. So inserting back my hook into that loop, I'm also going to insert my hook into that side stitch. And then I'm going to yarn over and pull through a loop. And then I'm going to yarn over and pull the yarn through both loops to complete a single crochet. And then I'm going to turn my work. Now from this point on, we'll be doing the exact same thing in each row to continue the pattern for the Romanian card. Now this is the stitch that we just completed right here, and beside it, just as in the last row, we have a side stitch. Now instead of there being one side stitch there are 2 stitches that would have been created from the single crochet that we completed in the last row. In this row, we're going to be working our hook through both these side stitches. So inserting back my hook, I'm going to go ahead and insert my hook in both stitches here, so just like that. And then I'm going to yarn over and pull through a loop. With 2 loops on the hook, I'm going to complete my single crochet. So I'm going to yarn over and pull through both loops. Then I'm going to turn my work. You'll see the stitch that you just created here and the side stitches beside that. 1, 2. We're going to go ahead and insert our hook into both. So just like this. I'm going to yarn over and pull through a loop. Yarn over and pull it through both loops. Now as I do this, I'm going to keep my stitches really loose so that it's easy for me to get my hook under both these side stitches here. So it's fairly easy when you keep your stitch loose rather than doing it really tightly. Then you'd probably have trouble getting your hook under the stitch. So once your hook is under though, yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through both loops. So I'll do a few more of these. I'm going to turn my work and the side stitches here. We insert under both. We pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through both loops. We turn our work where we'll see the side stitches here. We're going to insert our hook, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through both loops. And you can already see that Romanian stitch pattern coming to life here. I'm going to do one more. So again, we turn our work, we locate where our side stitches are, which is right beside the stitch. We're going to insert our hook under both, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through both loops. And you can do this as many times as possible until your cord is as long as you'd like it to be. Now once you get to your final stitch, simply yarn over and pull through. But now we're going to cut our yarn and pull it all the way through, and then you can just pull on the tail there to tighten it. Now in the end, your cord should look something like this, and again you can make it as long as you'd like. Now if you found this tutorial helpful, please go ahead and like this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, go ahead and subscribe now so you can get more videos like this. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!